Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on this and I created this now. It's a little different and it's just as easy. So let's move this out of the way. It's the same principle. We're going to take a six-sided polygon. I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perfect. Then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to go object and convert it to a curve and then take these nodes away, which really doesn't matter, but it helps a little bit. Then take this, it's already a curve. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I'm going to round it 2 inches just to kind of give it a look. Now, in the previous video, we hit a triangle. This time we're going to do the six-sided, so I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, we can bring this in. Now, we need to bring in our indexing lines early, so I've got something to work with up here. I am going to do the exact same thing before. I'm going to take a 3-point curve line and go from about there to there, and then I'm going to give it a curve and try to match up that line. If you don't match up that line, it's not that big a deal because we can actually cut that line. Well, I didn't have it enough. You could always take your shape tool and match it up a little bit better. It's not going to show, and we could actually delete part of that line when we smart fill it. And that gives us that curve from there. Now what we need to do is take that line and Control D, double click on the X and go to the rotation, put it in the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. That's all you've got to do. Now, as always, I'm going to go ahead and Control G to group this together so I can move it out of the way in a minute. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in that section. Now we can actually move this out of the way. I'm going to take this and get back to the Interactive Fill tool. I'm going to go downwardly this time again and then put black because this is going to be like the edge. You don't want it too black, and we could actually add another blue, mid-range and kind of give it a different look. Now Control D and make a duplicate, hit that X and put it in the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And then rotate this 60 degrees, Control D all the way around. And if we take away the indexing lines and then take a black box to make it kind of stand out a little bit more. And I could have made my inner polygon bigger, object order back a page, and it really, really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.